Welcome back to another 5-minute mod here. Today we're going to be installing a set of taillights on this 4th gen Toyota 4Runner. Easily one of the best mods you can do when working on a budget and with not a lot of time. So let's go ahead and get to it. We just need two tools. We got our 10mm wrench and our standard head screwdriver. Let's go do it. Alright, so we're just going to start by popping off this panel back here. Set it aside, and then you're going to have two 10mm bolts sitting on the back here, one here and one here. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. And our second bolt is also out. Once we've got the two bolts removed, we're just going to wiggle back on this unit. There is a clip that holds it in on the side here. We just need to get that to break free. And as you can see, it already did. Pull straight back here. And don't forget to unplug the lights like I did. So unplug them. Now we have the old unit out. One thing that I do want to mention while we're here as well, if your 4Runner is a 2003 to 2005 model and you did opt in for our lower reflectors, now is a great time to access those ports. You can reach behind the bumper. There's an additional just 10mm bolt on the back. Unbolt that, put the new one on. You can either feed the wire up through here, or if you'd prefer, you can run it underneath and through the access grommet that sits underneath the carpet here, up and out. Either way is going to work fine. Just know if you run it through here, you do run the risk of pinching the wire. So let's go ahead and get back into it. Let's get our new tail lights and install them. All right, so let's go ahead and get the new taillights in. I do want to talk just about some of the benefits of ordering through 4R Customs. Our taillights are a little bit different than a lot of the ones that you'll see on the market here. A lot of the ones that you see on Amazon and other third-party resellers, you'll notice that these brake lights operate as a running light and a brake light. A lot of complaints that we've seen in the past is that there's not enough contrast when hitting the brakes, and it's not noticeable when you're on your brakes. So what we've gone ahead and done is we've added an additional brake light here to reinforce that. So now when you hit your brakes, it'll illuminate the lower bar, this bar, and the third bar as well, giving you full visibility, making sure that you are safe while on the roads. Additionally, some of the other ones will have a smoked lens. We've noticed that dulls the output slightly, so these are going to be your brightest, safest option on the roads. So let's go ahead and get back into installing these. So when installing them, you'll notice that there is a pin right here. That pin, there's a guided hole here as well that you just want to line up. We're going to not plug that in quite yet, and we'll just let the plugs loosely fit around. Feed our wires through, and then just make sure that that hole again lines up, and we'll push it into place like so. Then we'll go ahead and take our two nuts that we took off of the old one here, and we'll start threading them onto the studs. All right, then we'll go ahead and plug those boys in and get our panel back into place here. And just like that, you've installed your taillights. Do the same thing on the other side, and let's check out, see how good these look. All right, so everything's on, looking great. Just a reminder again, these are available for purchase on our website, link in the description here, 4rcustoms.com. All of our taillights that are house brand include a 2-year warranty. That's going to be seal and electronics. And also, like I said, a couple differences between our tail lights and other ones that you'll see on the market. We have the additional brake light, cleared lens to help a lot of that light travel and be a little more visible and safe on the roads. So don't forget to check these out on our website, 4rcustoms.com, and we'll see you on the trails.